Top Safety Pick. Only 10,089 miles. This Chevrolet Trax boasts a turbocharged gas 4-cylinder 1.4-liter/83 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, ECOTEC TURBO 1.4 liters variable valve timing DOHC 4-cylinder sequential MFI, 138 horsepower, 102.9 kilowatts, at 4,900 revolutions per minute, 148 pounds-to-foot of torque, 199.8 Nm, at 1,850 revolutions per minute, transmission, 6-speed automatic, sunroof, power, sliding. This Chevrolet Trax comes equipped with these options: seats, front bucket with driver power lumbar, jet black/brownstone, deluxe cloth/leatherette seat trim, heater, oil pan, champagne silver metallic. Second lieutenant preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, wipers, front intermittent, wiper, rear intermittent, windshield, solar absorbing, windshield, acoustic laminated, windows, power with driver express up/down. This Chevrolet Trax is a superstar. It's Top Safety Pick, KBB.com 10 Tech-Savviest cars under $20,000, KBB.com 10 most fuel-efficient SUVs. The expert's verdict. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the all-new 2015 Trax gives you the best of both worlds, the versatility of an SUV and the maneuverability to park on city streets. With an elevated view of the road, you can take command of your city's streets. And with the signature Chevrolet dual-port grille, swept-back headlights and available chrome accents, the Trax small SUV is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The interior can be easily reconfigured to maximize versatility, thanks to the 60/40 flip and fold rear seat and fold flat front passenger seat. The fun begins at every stoplight, thanks to the confident acceleration of the 1.4 liters turbocharged ECOTEC engine that's standard in every Trax. The horsepower is 138, but it's the 148 pounds-foot of at-the-ready torque that makes Trax so responsive to every touch. Trax gives you two ways of engaging more directly in your driving, with a standard 6-speed manual transmission on LS models, and a 6-speed automatic transmission on LT and LTZ models. Turbocharging doesn't only increase power generation, it also enhances fuel efficiency, delivering a 5.7 liters/100 kilometers highway fuel consumption rating that is unsurpassed. The available Chevrolet MyLink radio connects your compatible smartphone to the MyLink 178mm color touchscreen display and enables you to use screen, voice commands, or the steering wheel mounted controls. The system also allows you to access apps like Stitcher Smart Radio and TuneIn, that can stream over 70,000 radio stations from around the world and best enjoyed with the available 7-speaker Bose premium sound system that features its own amplifier. Visit us today. Test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3.